We've given quite a detailed introduction of our course. Now let's officially start to learn. We'll begin by introducing the pronunciation system, which is called pinyin in Chinese. What is pinyin? Here's a Chinese word. As we talked earlier, this is a Chinese character. There seems to be a disconnect between the Chinese character and its pronunciation. How do you find how to pronounce this word? Just by looking at it. So some years ago, a system that is composed of Latin letters and the tones was developed. There are three parts, three components of each sound, which are initials, finals, and tones. Initials and tones, they use Latin letters. There are 5 tones. There are 21 initials and 37 finals. Let's go back to this word. This word means I in Chinese. The pronunciation is 我. So the 3 parts, the initial is 我, and the final is 我, and the tone is a third tone. So put together, it is 我.